Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to turn off the iPhone camera sound. The first option is to actually mute the whole phone, and you can do this by switching off the mute button on the side of your iPhone, and you'll see this silent mode pops up. Now you won't get any notifications, so this isn't always the best option. So we'll switch it back on. So now we're getting notifications and the camera will make a sound. So what you can do is bring up the camera app, and with the camera app up you can slide from the top corner to bring up the control center, and then you want to slide all the way down here to mute the camera app. Now when you take a photo you will not get a camera sound, but remember to open the control center once you've taken your photo and bring your sound back up. Now the third option is to actually use live photo. So in the top right hand corner here you can see the live photo is currently turned off. If you switch it on, when you take a photograph, you will not get the sound of the camera because the sound doesn't come through when you have live photo turned on. So that's a couple of different ways how to turn off the iPhone camera sound. There's no actual way to turn it off in the settings. However, these are some workarounds. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like button, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.